So, campaigns are the initiatives and strategies we define to achieve greater success, and engagements are the ways in which we interact with the visitor. In this video, we'll look how easy it is to customize our chat engagements, how to give them a look and feel consistent with our site. The default engagement interacts with the user with a nice blue button inviting the user to live chat with an agent. But what if this default button doesn't match our color scheme or font? What if the button obscures something? Or what if we'd rather have them visit a fact page than invite them to chat? Well, the good news is Live Assist is highly configurable and it's easy to do. So imagine I've just spent time with the design team and we've agreed we'd like the button in the same nice azure color with nice navy borders and slightly rounded corners. And we'd like different text in a different font. With more text, we'll probably need a bigger button and we want it bottom right. Okay, let's get started. Campaigns, edit on the engagement, and we're taken to the engagement studio. It's from here that we'll customize the engagement exactly as we like. So changing the color here in background, color, and paste in the hex code. I'll set the border to this navy with 1 pixel width, and I'll set the button's radius to 8 pixels. Okay, looking good. The text here in the default button's actually an image, so can't be changed. Instead, I'll delete it, I'll select it and press delete on the keyboard. To add new text, we'll add an element and add text. Can we help? I'll choose Bookman as the font, set the color to white, and I'll keep the 26-point font size. Now the text needs reorienting, so here we go, portrait bottom to top. Great. Okay, let's add the subtext in the same way. Add element, add text, click to chat, Bookman, white, change orientation, and realign. But the subtext is, well, too big, so let's double click and set the font size to, let's say, 20. Okay, the text size is good, but now the button needs to be bigger. So, size and placement, and we'll increase the width and the height. We want the button at the bottom right, so we'll click bottom right. So it's looking good here in the studio, but how will it look in the live site? Well, we can preview it using the preview button. I'll copy the site's URL, paste it here, and great. It's looking good on the preview page. Good enough to go live. So the last task then is to publish. And now refreshing the page, well, the tag's JavaScript, as always, calls over to Live Assist and on finding my new engagement settings, now brings them back and displays the engagement on the page. Okay, so we've seen then how chat engagements are highly customizable. You have great control over their look and feel.